It's the calm before the storm, and here's Mr. Owl. I know I'm being silly, but it's a little scary. Wind's starting to pick up. I don't know if you can can't probably see. There's a tennis court behind me, which I thought would be a nice backdrop. Be another day or so before I get to be outside here. And Mr. Owl says, if they said evacuate, go evacuate. I happen to be about a mile from where I'm outside the evacuation zone, so therefore I'll be here and safe and sound. I've got batteries and music and flashlights and charged up cell phones and charged up iPads, and not like I'll be able to use them, except the phones in case of emergencies. Everybody be safe. Don't be silly. Be safe. See you soon.